Life pranked you, and your skid loader is leaking fluid all over the place. I'm not laughing. Are you? All right. Let's take her apart. $18mm.
We got it or no?
Yeah. So tight. Forget my wrist. This down? No, that's gonna lift up. You sure?
Yeah, it's locked.
Holy moly. See what we got here. Yeah. Looks good.
So I got to put fluid in and start it? Or?
Yeah, let's run it and see. Took this bolt out on each side. Push the arms forward, lift. Make sure that's locked. That'll make for a real bad day. Apparently we'll have to fill her up some. See where she's peeing out. One day we should pressure wash this for real.
Yeah.
What are those inside lines? Those. I don't see nothing obvious. It's all wet here. Find the hole. There you go. There you go. There you go.
So keep your eyes open.
Eyes, peepers around. Whoa! There's a chipmunk in there. There's a chipmunk living in there. Where'd he go? Holy cow! Right there, peeing out of that bottom line. All right. It looked like it was that bottom one. Not see this one? It looked like it's the one below it. There was a stream coming out, so I don't know if it's that one or that one.
I don't see which one you're talking about.
So. I don't know if that chipmunk's gone.
No, he's still in there. Oh, there's lots of fluid down there, ain't there? Which one?
It looked like he was peeing right. right down here. I think it's that, not this one, but the one below it.
Really? You don't think it's that little guy? That one goes right there?
No. No.
I think it's that big one, huh?
Start again. You have to crawl in there after you run it.
You should crawl.
I'd go in there, but there's a chipmunk in there
Oh,
somewhere.
for love of God. It's a chipmunk.
Well, you could have corona. And then what? Then we're all sick. Let's get the camera down in there. One.
Where's it go?
Where does it go? Probably where that chipmunk is. Probably where it goes. That goes to the pedal. I don't know. You got so much debris in here. Goes underneath this debris, I think. Where did the damn chipmunk go? Take off that side plate there.
Maybe not. No, this has got to come out, so this can come out.
Yep. How about this one? This one gotta come out.
Might as well.
Might as well pull that. Pull here.
Yeah, there's 3 bolts there.
9/16. Oh boy.
Gonna do that foot pedal to get at it.
What we got here? 13. How about a 13? 13 will do her. You got the smaller ratchets? Alright. I'm gonna take out bolt, bolt, bolt. Then that bolt, that bolt. Alright. Let's do this. Had to loosen these bolts to get this out of here. Holy cow. How long is it? Come on, loose. Can't reach. Right. We pull it center on now or what? Put back and then. There you go. Holy moly. There you go. There you go. Oh, cool. Nice. Nice sludge. Maintenance. So we got holes in the bottom. We're gonna push the dirt out. Dirt and fluid. Okay. So it's not that one. That must be the upper one. And then the lower one goes here. But then you got, well, oh wait, you got this one too. Okay, so tracing it, that top line there, oh my thing's out too far, is here. The line underneath that broke is here. So here and there. Looks like it runs this wheel. Front left wheel. This line's new. That line's new. I mean, we replace line after line. It's like every week a new one goes. All these are new. All these are new. This is new. That's new. All right. 36 millimeter. 36 millimeter. All right, take that. All right. Hi. That's off. That one's off. And we pull her out. All right. And there she be. All right. Let's go get a new one. Right there. There's the hole. Boom. All right, so this is the new line, huh? It's almost what we took out. Not even close. Oh, this is gonna be fun. We should wrap up the end and stick it through them. That line and that line are not the same. That's gonna be hell to get in there. All right, you think so? All right, I'll go this way. See if I can climb down in there. Oh. I'm not tall enough for this. Oh. Okay. All right, push her through. Okay, got it.
You want it on that side of those lines?
I don't know.
You won't go through it.
Yeah, I had it. Right there. Okay. Maybe we'll go on this side of this one. I need the other. Oh, this is gonna be tricky. Okay, hold on.
I'm gonna put it through backwards. This one maybe should go over there.
Let's see. Well, that should work if we can fight it.
Oh, no.
Well, I think we get this one on. It'll go that way more. All right, hold on. Log. Okay, we took the top one off here, and we took it off here to fight that one, and to fight it there. And yeah, it was a battle, and we won because it's not exactly the same. And hopefully it works. So yeah, we took this one off, and we took this one off, so we could get this one on. All right, I'm gonna tighten these up. All right, fire. Let's see. See how she rolls. Looks good. We are fixed. The battery's about to die, so there you go. Put it back together the way we took it apart. Please like and subscribe.